read what the back says. It says, "Dear friend, these unloved and abandoned pets are in need of your help." Just so you know, it's gonna open up, it's gonna be a sad ball of fur. And then you have to bathe it. You have to dry it, you have to brush it, and you have to love it, and then we'll find out what kind of pet it is. Maybe it'll be like Bentley.
Mama, please open it.
Yes, it's gonna be either a dog, a cat, or a bunny. Let's find out what it is.
Okay.
What's it gonna be?
It's gonna be a bee.
Bentley wants to know too.
I'll go. I have an idea.
You have an idea?
Yeah.
What's your idea? Whoa, let's look at this. It comes with a hair bow, a hairbrush, and a collar. Let's find out what it is.
Okay.
Oh.
I got brush his hair.
You gotta brush its hair. Here's the hairbrush. Here are the instructions. Oh, we have to wash it in the sink. Wanna go wash it in the sink?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So,
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Wash him.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Wash your friend.
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's dry off your friend.
Oh, yeah.
Take your friend out and dry him off with a towel.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the moon pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Want me to help you brush?
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was so tired.
Great job.
Ah, you look so pretty. And you blow.
We also have a collar.
Polar on my neck.
It's like a necklace. And you'll put its name on it too, just like our dog Bentley wears. Her collar. What a pretty animal. What kind of animal is this?
It kind of animal do.
Do you think it's a cat, a dog, or a bunny?
Cute.
I think it's a dog.
I know it's a dog.
Still a little wet, but she is so cute. This is her bow, her collar, and she needs to be brushed a little bit more, but she has blue
And that
eyes and a black nose and paws. Want to give her a high five? Yay!
Good job. Pie.
We also get a certificate of adoption, and we got to name her. What should her name be, Arielle? Should we name her Rosie?
Yeah. A dog.
She's a dog named Rosie.
I know. Thanks for watching.